All right, Editor Dave here, just jumping in real quick to try and explain the changes that are going on here because I think it can be a little confusing. So you may recognize this is not a new machine in the Hall of Champions store. Instead, they've just swapped out the designs, put in these new ones, which I think are fantastic, by the way. But if you did not get the original ones that were here, I believe it's Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Tinkerbell, and Lady from Lady and the Tramp, don't worry, you can still get them. They just moved those designs into a new machine that's now located over at the Port Orleans Riverside Resort. It's in the arcade that's just off of the lobby. So let's jump back to the video. I'll show you where that machine is, and I'll just give you a little refresher of what those coins look like. Let's get back to it.